Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been in a Microsoft Teams meeting with a lot of people talking, you know how hard it can be to jump in without interrupting someone. That's where the raise hand feature comes in. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it, step by step, so you can get your point across politely and at the perfect time. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll be raising and lowering your hand in Teams like a pro. First, let's quickly cover why this matters. In large virtual meetings, everyone talking at once can create chaos. The raise hand feature keeps the discussion organized, ensures everyone gets heard, and shows respect for the speaker. Whether you're in a classroom, a company meeting, or a casual team catch-up, it's a simple but powerful tool. Before you start to use it, you need a Microsoft Teams account. If you don't have one, create it first. Then choose how you'll join. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The process is almost identical. Just sign in with your credentials to get started, joining or starting a meeting. After signing in, you can either join a scheduled meeting or start one instantly. To join, simply click the calendar icon and select the meeting invite. To start a new one, hit the video camera icon, usually at the top right of your Teams window, and click Start Meeting. Once the meeting window opens, you'll see a control toolbar, typically at the bottom of the screen. Raising your hand now for the main event. During the meeting, look closely at the toolbar. Among the buttons for camera, mic, and reactions, you'll spot a hand icon. Click it, and voila, your digital hand is raised. Everyone in the meeting, including the organizer, will see that you're waiting to speak. Lowering your hand. Once you've made your comment or asked your question, remember to lower your hand. Teams will show a lower hand option right where you clicked before. One click tells everyone you're all set, and it keeps the participant list nice and clear. And that's it. You now know how to politely grab attention and keep meetings running smoothly with the raise hand feature in Microsoft Teams. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your teammates, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy meeting!